Hi guys, my name is Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have you here. Today I am here to share with you a 2-week Walmart grocery haul. That's right, 2 weeks. I'm going to be filming this one a little bit differently. I've broken up my haul into sections so that way we can get groceries put away quicker. I was having an issue with stuff kind of warming up and melting by the time I was done recording. So hopefully this works out okay. Let me know what you think, or let me know if you prefer the one where I'm sitting down and showing you each individual item. Yeah, so anyways, real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, what are you waiting for? Click on that little button down in the corner and we will be instant YouTube family. I am going to give you point values for several of the things today, but if you would like any other nutritional information, just let me know down in the comments and I will get that information back to you. So yeah, I think that is everything. There's not really a whole lot you can say before a grocery haul, right? I'll leave the total at the end. This was a grocery pickup, so I've got to be able to use my phone, which I'm recording on, to tell you what the total was. There were a few things in the order that seemed strange, like not quite what I ordered, but who knows? Who knows? It's all right. We're going to have to go back to the store at some point within the next week or two to get something anyways, so we'll just get the rest of it then. It's not a big deal. So, all right, guys, I'm going to jump to the grocery haul. I'm not planning on coming back on here afterwards, so thank you in advance for watching. And until next time, guys, make sure you keep smiling like always. Okay, let's get to the haul. See you guys. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with the produce so we can get that put away. I got 1 head of broccoli. This is the smallest head of broccoli I've ever gotten, so I'm going to have to go back and buy a bag of it. And it's squishy. Like, it feels like rubber, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll make it work, right? I got 2 bags of this classic iceberg lettuce, an 8-ounce bag of snow peas, an 8-ounce container of sliced mushrooms. I got 1 red tomato that it looks bad, but it doesn't appear to have any soft spots on it. And then, funny story for this, I ordered 2 Roma tomatoes. So I got 1 individual, and then I got a bag. So I don't know how that works, but yeah. So produce section, here you have it. Let me get this stuff put away, and I'll be back with the next. Next, we'll do the canned goods. I got 2 cans of this Dynasty baby corn. Here's one. Where's the other one? Here it is. This is for my stir fry recipe that I'm doing later on. I got 3 cans of tomato sauce. Thought it was supposed to be 4, but that's okay. I will go back and check my app. I got 1 can of the 97% fat-free cream of chicken soup. I got 4 cans of the Great Value brand chunk chicken breast. I forgot to scan this to make sure it's 0 points, so I'll do that and let you know down at the bottom of the screen. 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of pinto beans. I got a can of crushed tomatoes. That is for that 2-bean crock pot chili recipe that I like. This, and then a whole big old thing of whole kernel corn. And I would imagine some of the tomato sauce goes in there too, but I can't remember for sure. Then I got a big can of the Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies. I think that goes in the chili as well. And I got another huge thing of corn. Next, I've got my pasta and rice group. Needed some lasagna because you guys know I am making my crock pot lasagna this week. And then all this rice right here I got for my daughter Ariana. When she gets home from the hospital, I know that she is going to be a hungry girl, and these are some of her favorites. A lot of these are new flavors, though. This is a 90-second Uncle Ben's rice. All you do is squish up the rice, tear open the package, and put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So this one here is cilantro lime. It is 1 cup for 8 points. Then we've got red beans and rice. This is definitely one of her favorites. Again, it's 1 cup for 8 points. This is creamy 4 cheese, 1 cup for 7 points. This is the roasted chicken, 1 cup for 7 points. Butter and garlic, 1 cup for 7 points. Garden veggie, this is 1 cup for 6 points. This is Spanish style rice. This is 1 cup for 6 points. And then I just got the plain jasmine. This was higher than I was expecting. But yeah, it's okay. I've said that a lot this grocery haul, huh? And this is 1 cup for 8 points. Next, I've got my refrigerated portion of the grocery haul. This is 60 large white eggs. I know you're curious. I think I paid $13 and change for this. Before the egg price hike, I think we paid between $7 and $9. So it's doubled. But what am I going to say, guys? It's okay. Then we've got Velveeta shreds. This is 1 slice for 1 point. We've got the mozzarella cheese. This is low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. I forgot to calculate points, so I'll put that at the bottom of the screen. All of these yogurts are 2 points apiece. This is the strawberry cheesecake. I got blackberry this time. My caramel apple pie, creme brulee, and then bananas and cream. And I needed some more of my non-fat small curd cottage cheese for my lasagna. I, again, forgot to scan this, so I will put the point value down at the bottom of the screen. Moving on to the meat portion of my haul. I got some skinless smoked turkey sausage. This is 2 ounces for 4 points. I got 2 of these. And that's for a crock pot recipe I'm making. Then I needed a pound of 97% fat-free ground turkey. And then I got 2 pounds of 93% lean ground beef. 1 and 2. Here we have kind of our little hodgepodge section. I needed some frozen hash browns to go with that turkey sausage I got. This is 32 ounces. We got 4 bottles of pop. Steve got 2 of his vanillas. I got 2 of my sugar-free Cokes. Ava did get a prime water, but she's already drinking it. I'll post a picture of it right here. I'm telling you guys about this because I'm going to tell you what our total for the haul was, and I want to make sure everything's included. I needed some low-fat French dressing for the Big Mac salads that I'm making, but I saw this, thought I'd give it a try. 2 tablespoons for 2 points. This is the G. Hughes sugar-free French. Then for the Big Mac salads, also I needed some Hellmann's Light mayonnaise. It's 1 tablespoon for 1 point, or 2 tablespoons for 3. For breakfast, I needed some chocolate chips. I've got the Lily's milk chocolate baking chips. You can have 30 for 2 points. Then I got the kiddos some chips. Guys, I just have to say, these were atrociously expensive. Atrociously. Yeah, I think that's the first time I've used that word on this channel, but it's how I feel. I think I paid $12 for this box, and there's 18 in there. So, yeah. Then I needed a snack for myself. I've got some of these ultra-thin pretzel salty sticks. You can have 1 ounce for 3 points, and these are the super skinny ones, which I think is why they measured them in ounces for us. Then we needed dill pickles for our Big Mac salad, and I got 1 bath item. This is the Dial Calm and Soothe Lavender and Jasmine Body Wash. All right, and then the last group is my drinks. Yeah, we are partially on the floor and on a chair. I apologize. Ava needed some drink mixes for her soda stream, so she got blue raspberry, and then she got, let's see, orange vanilla. That's interesting. Needed some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is my favorite brand. Needed some sugar-free coffee creamer. This is the Twix brand. One of my favorites. It's this and the Friends right now for me. Then I needed some Light and Fit strawberry banana protein shakes. Guys, these are one of my favorite snacks. This is my 2nd time getting them, and I love them. They've got 10 grams of protein, and they're 2 points. Got 2 gallons of 2% milk. Excuse my dirty floor. For drinks, I needed some more of my sparkling water. I've got pineapple coconut, black cherry, and then cherry limeade.